viewers, my name is Nnamdi Emmanuel. I'm in Primary 6, presenting on Crimxo classroom platform. And today, I'm going to teach simultaneous linear equation, substitution and elimination method. Let's start. Question: x minus y equals 3. Equation 1. 2x minus y equals 8. Equation 2. From equation 1, make x the subject of the formula. X equals 3. When minus y crosses the quality sign, it changes to plus y. This is the temporary value of x. Equation 3. From equation 2, 2 bracket 3 plus y, which is the temporary value of x, bracket close, minus y equals 8. To continue with the solving, we open the bracket by multiplying the numbers inside by 2. 2 times 3, 6, plus 2 times y, 2y, minus y equals 8. 2y minus y is y, so 6 plus y equals 8. Here, we make y the subject of the formula. Y equals 8. When plus 6 crosses the quality sign, it changes to minus 6. Y equals 2. Solving for x, we go back to equation 3. X equals 3 plus y. X equals 3 plus 2. This is the permanent value of y. So, x equals 5. Solutions. X equals 5 and y equals 2. Thanks. Question: 2x plus 3y equals 9. Equation 1. 3x minus 4y equals 5. Equation 2. Step 1. We multiply equation 1 by 4 and multiply equation 2 by 3. 4 times 2x, 8x, plus 4 times 3y, 12y, equal to 4 times 9, 36, equation 3. 3 times 3x, 9x, minus 3 times 4y, 12y, equal to 3 times 5, 15, equation 4. Step 2. We add equation 3 and equation 4. 8x plus 9x, 17x. 12y minus 12y, nothing, you leave it, equal to 36 plus 15, 51. Here, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 17 over 17 over 17. 17 divide itself, 1. 17 divide itself, 1. 17 divide itself, 1. 17 divide 51, 3. X equals 3. Solving for y, we go back to equation 1. 2 bracket 3, which is the permanent value of x, bracket close, plus 3y equals 9. To continue with the solving, we open the brackets by multiplying the number inside by 2. 2 times 3, 6, plus 3y equals 9. Here, we make 3y the subject of the formula. 3y equals 9. When plus 6 crosses the quality sign, it changes to minus 6. 3y equals 3 over 3 over 3. 3 cancel 3, leaving y equal to 3 divide itself 1, 3 divide 3 1, y equals 1. Solutions. X equals 3 and y equals 1. Thanks.
Camouflage. Chandelier.